Alright. So, dear Mumbaikars, you take your title way too seriously, but the city is the park of mashups, right? You get Chinese dosas and embroidered pants and masala pastas, some narrow-minded millionaires and very liberal beggars. So, like I said, very mashup city. 15 seconds. Alright. They all say that your address is your attitude. So you will walk around saying you have two fundamental ideologies. One, that you never follow signs. That stop signs on the roads are just there for a showpiece, right? And two, you're far more superior than the other guys. You're small, but really you're big. So you walk around like this is your jungle and you're the biggest sher. So you walk around saying, "Hey, rickshaw wala, idhar ruka. Hey, gaadi wale, baaju mein hato." There's this whole attitude of you're the biggest sher in the city. But really, you consider yourself really big. And then you waltz. You know, when you travel in local trains, you actually learn how to waltz. You put your hand up, you hold your bag like this. Someone says, "Idhar utarna hai, nahi utarna. Aage jana hai, aage jana. Aage bheed aaya hai, piche jao." So you actually learn waltz in your Mumbai local trains, which is a great thing. You always wake up in the morning, say, "Rise and shine," which means yesterday boss yelled at me, no big deal, tomorrow is a new day, right? I failed in my SSC exams, no problem, I'll join the underworld, easy peasy, right? What also happens is a no is a yes. Yahan thukna mana hai, hang on. You spit there. They say, don't fuck with the government when it comes to the IPL, you say, watch me do it. And anything that has a no sign, you actually do it. Don't watch pirated movies, of course I'll download pirated movies. There's also -2 degrees of separation. You say, "Hi, my name is Sita." The other one says, "Hi, myself Geeta. I like Shah Rukh, you like Shah Rukh, we're best friends forever." So in Mumbai, you're always closer to the person, whether it's a stranger, it's your friend. There's also this idea that your heroes are defined by what benefit they give you. So your local panwala is your hero because he knows how to roll the best mawa for you, or Sachin Tendulkar scored some centuries and that makes him your hero. You also have a very different language. I moved here on February 22nd after living away for 5 years, and I realized that we even mash up our languages. We say chalta hai, and you know it's a mix of English. What you also do is you always talk over what somebody else says. Now do this. Now change the perspective. Untie your little Bombay bow and completely start over and reverse everything that we've been hearing so far. So what you do is perfect that language. Don't speak when somebody else is speaking. Be polite. Talk in a more softer way and hear what somebody else has to say. Because really, right now what you're doing is there are no opinions in Mumbai. There are only facts, right? Because whenever you say something, you're always right. Also, dethrone and rethrone. So take away those heroes that you've been talking about and re-elect them. Say that you wanna throne the guy who really has decorrupted India. I mean, what's the name of the Prime Minister again? So go back and reevaluate who you've been thinking, who you've been seeing as your hero. Also stretch that separation. Right now what you do is you ask the girl who travels in your local train every day how her day went. You tend to forget to even ask your dad how his big life-changing meeting went. Or talk to your mom who wants to talk to you every day, right? A yes is a yes. Try following this. Really obey signs and see how it changes everything. Trust me, Bombay, when you actually follow the rules, can be strangely therapeutic. And shine and rise, shine and rise. Reverse your entire mentality. Do something good before you pat yourselves on the back. You speak too soon and you're in the dumps. So what you want to do is reevaluate everything that you've been doing so far and change it and then see how it rewards you. Also, please don't stop the music. Of course, go ahead, celebrate at the Ganesh Chaturthi festivals, at the Diwali festivals, do everything. Pour your heart out. But make sure you keep your religious, strong sentiments to yourselves. And stop when the music is meant to stop and don't go on and don't linger on. Be big, yet be really small. Be humble, be modest. Don't be the guy who walks around again, you know, being extremely rude to the waiter and being extremely rude to the guys who are around you. Walk over to the nearest NGO and sign up for something. Because really your attitude is your address and not the other way around. Don't take the titles too seriously because really what you want to do is you've always taken the essence of Mumbai and put it in you. Now take your essence and putting in this city and see the entire city change. Because really everybody says that you are here Well, here is such a lucid idea. You really are here, and see how things change. Thank you.